sunny day in Thailand, Panda Poko arrives at the beach in a colorful tuk-tuk. Sunglasses on, beach bag in paw. He spots the sparkling blue ocean and rushes to the sand, giggling as he pokes it. A quick coconut drink. Then he splashes into the water with his yellow duck floaty. Poko finds a shiny seashell, listens to it, and smiles. Kids invite him for volleyball. The ball bounces off his head. Everyone laughs. Under a palm tree, he enjoys mango sticky rice. As the sun sets, in orange and pink, Poko waves goodbye, hops back on the tuk-tuk, and rides off into the warm evening.